We will slightly verge off in this direction because we mentioned the headaches, because a lot of you are having them, yes? What is actually happening here is that the brain is rewiring to the eyes, the ears, and the taste senses. Do you understand? It was only with some humans who had senses such as what humans call clairaudience, clairsentience, clairvoyance, yes? So you can see things, but not with the physical. You can hear things, but not with the physical. Do you understand? Those synaptic connections now are multidimensional and are actually now descending into a physical manifestation. So your brains are actually rewiring new pathways to these organs so that the body is now actually becoming capable of seeing the energetic field, capable of hearing vibratory sound. Do you understand? Capable of being able to speak wisdom and taste energetic signatures in foods. How many of you have had your taste changing? Yes? Because the rewiring, the multi-dimensional connections between the brain and the tongue are now picking up energetic signatures in foods. There's a lot going on, yes? What can you be doing? Awareness. Do you have anything to add for us, wise one?
I think it is probably a time where you do have to very closely start looking at the habits, patterns and belief systems, because they are the locked door. The stuff that we do is not about making the life we have lived or currently live better. It's about changing it totally. And so therefore, I think always the first step is to start with the belief systems that are coming in.
Yes, and as they become out of sync with who you are in your consciousness, they come to the surface and they become visible. And so the awareness, when they come into your sphere of visibility, is to show you what you are not.